Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to get your own either USA UK phone number for lifetime. So first of all, you go to your Play Store. You head over to your Play Store. Sorry, I'm just trying to bring the Play Store back to here. So here you search on Fanytel app. Yeah, this is the app right here. So you tap on it and install. So we just have to wait for it to finish installing. So now let's open. So here you just sign in. There is other more options, but I prefer using sign in with Google. So you tap on sign in with Google. Let me select this right here. So this now you have just gotten your account, and if you look up right here, if you look at here, you will notice I have a balance there, which I top it up, and you can see the top up option, any one of your choice. You can top up the amount. So to get the number, you tap on here and add a new number. You can see you can get the Australian, Canada, UK, USA number, and let's see. You can see to get the USA number, there is it right, and you just tap on continue. So and you select any plan of your choice and go with it. With just $0.9, you can get USA number for full 1 month. So you can see how good it is. Also, if you go back here and back again, you go with we're going with Canada this time around. So what I'm doing here is I want to also use the same Canada to create an account. So I'm just trying to. So now what I will do is I will even check WhatsApp if the number is available on WhatsApp. So now you can see I'm back. So to check the number, I will just tap on next to see. Yes. I can actually go with this and try later, but I'm just going to let's try another. Yes. and you can see this right here is going, or I think I should go with this right here. And don't mind this I'm doing. Actually, you can do it, you can leave it and do it once you just register your account, as it will work. But I'm just trying to get some points clear for here. That's why. So you can see. So here I'm going to just select this number. I'm going to go with this number, continue. And here I will select this number and tap on continue. Yes, so I can just okay. Just leave it like this. And okay. So now this number, as you can see now, is active. So I've successfully gotten the number. Here I can just I can wait for a minute to get this code. So any call or messages I receive from this number will drop right here. Will drop right here. So you can see the number right here. So any messages we drop here, while contact and all calls will be dropped here. So this is how to get your, and remember you can just keep if you think well the number is good for you, you can keep resubscribing, and if you think you don't like it anymore, you can cancel the subscription at any time of your choice, which is nice. So thank you for watching.